Yo, what is up guys, it's Nick back with another video, and today I have another unboxing for you guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing Supreme Week 19 stuff, otherwise known as the Supreme t-shirts that released part 2 of Spring Summer 2018, and also, pretty sad, this will be my official last unboxing for Supreme Spring Summer 2018, because I unfortunately did not get the life vest or the life jacket on the last week of Supreme SS18. So guys, with that out of the way, don't forget to smack the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing.
I'm working on buying.
I'm upset. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me out the way, what you expect.
Alrighty guys, so you guys know, if you guys watch my live cop, that I did cop 2 shirts off the actual release at 11 o'clock. Last Thursday, but I did cop on a restock, and I'm going to be explaining how I copped on the restock, how I got the same thing shipped to my address with the same name and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that, but first let's just go ahead and get into the first, I guess you could say, unbagging. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. I did get 2 tees on the actual release. I got a pretty hyped up tee, and then I got an okay t-shirt, I guess you would say. I just wish Supreme would get some new packaging because it's getting annoying. I'm pretty sure they changed up their packaging from week 1. Week 1 had the pull tabs, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure they had pull tabs, but none of these have pull tabs. But I'm pretty sure that they had pull tabs. But here goes the first unbagging. Like always, we got a Supreme bag. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so this one is the red Supreme Swimmers tee in the size large. Now I'm not going to be opening this up because I have to decide on which color. I did get 2 of these shipped to the same address. Yeah, I know it's crazy. I'm going to be explaining to you how I did that in a little bit. But yeah, this is the red Swimmers tee. I don't know how to rock it. But let's see if there's any stickers. Of course, we got the sticker pack in here, and it looks like we got a Supreme BOGO, a Ganesh sticker. You can't really see it because it's behind the Mona Lisa, but we did get the Mona Lisa as well as the Ganesh and Supreme BOGO. So put that off to the side, and then let's get into the next unbagging, I guess you would say. Again, have to cut through this terrible plastic packaging. I wish they just go back to the pull tabs. I just rip it open. Alright, that one is down. Now this bag was unfortunately a little beat up. Like, it's a little, like, you know, crinkled up, so hopefully the stickers aren't bent up in any way, but I bet they are. Alright, this one is the white Swimmers t-shirt in the size large again. I got them both in the size large just in case if I wanted to keep one. I didn't know if I wanted to keep one or not. But this is the white Swimmers t-shirt. There's the 3 girls right there, as you can see. And just in comparison, literally the same t-shirt right here. Literally the red and the white one, same thing. So with that out of the way, there's no other, oh yeah, we gotta get the stickers out, my bad. Alright, so unfortunately they do look a little bent up. That kind of sucks. I hate when Supreme bends the stickers. But here you can get a better look at the Ganesh sticker right here. And then along with that, we also have the octopus tee, which is kind of hiding behind the Ganesh. But I'll probably undo these so you guys can get a better look later. But the Supreme tentacles or octopus stickers underneath there, so put that off to the side. Let's get into the last package. Now this is the most hyped up shirt that I think I've actually gotten besides the Supreme box logo last season. You know, copping the Supreme box logos, that's pretty much all just luck of the draw, if you can actually check out with them, because that site was lagging so much last year. I was really fortunate enough to get one of those last year, which was absolutely crazy. That was actually my 3rd thing that I've ever bought from Supreme, because I got into Supreme last year. Didn't really have a job to buy anything, but yeah, that was kind of crazy that I actually got a BOGO last year. That was probably the most hyped up thing that I've ever gotten from Supreme. But here we go. This is the Heather Gray and the Rocks, or the Jewels t-shirt, some people call it. But I'm going to be unbagging this one right now. As soon as I get out the stickers, because you know we got to get those stickers out. You got to get sticker packs. Put that off to the side. and it looks like this one is the same as the red swimmer's tee, which was just the Ganesh and the Mona Lisa. Pretty dope stickers. Might be selling them, I really don't know yet, or might just put them in the collection with all the other stickers. But okay, so we'll see. Not the Jewels tee, not the Rocks tee. This is the Crystals tee. It actually says it right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Focus. It says it right there on the actual tag. So this is the Crystals tee. So I'm gonna get this bad boy opened up, because I will be keeping this tee, which is pretty dope. And I will be making a video later on, guys, just to make one video of what all I got Supreme SS18, like my Supreme collection, I guess you would say, and what I'm going to be selling in another video. But boom, guys, this is a nice t-shirt. We got the Supreme all laid out right here in crystals, and we got the New York, London, and Paris. That is dope. I'm going to be wearing this a whole lot this summer. Probably my most favorite t-shirt, graphic t-shirt that I've got from Supreme, besides my small box logos. Those aren't really graphic t-shirts. But guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to be explaining like how I got 2 of the Swimmers tees shipped to my address. So what I did was I copped the red Swimmers tee, this one right here. I copped this one on the actual release day. You can watch my live cop and see that I copped this off my iPad. But like my last part of my address is road, and what I did was I spelled it all the way out on here and put a period at the end, along with using my phone number, my personal phone number, and used my full name to cop this one. And what I did on this one, I got this off Supreme Community Restocks, and I used my first name, and then for my last name, which is Spencer, I only put an S and a period, and I used someone else's phone number for the phone number section, and for the last part of the road I put RD period. So they took it and they shipped it to me, as you can see. So that's pretty dope. That's how you get 2 things from Supreme shipped to you, same items. But guys, that's about it for the Supreme SS18 unboxings. Come back next year for the fall winter 2018 unboxings. Those are gonna be lit. Maybe try to get another box logo. Hopefully they release one. They did not release a Supreme box logo t-shirt this season. Kind of a bummer, but that's okay. We always get next spring summer 2019. I'm sure that's going to be even more crazier than this season, because this season, in all honesty, a lot of people were saying it was pretty weak. But you know what? I liked it. I liked this season. This was my actually full first season of Supreme. So I got a lot of stuff that I wanted, and I'm going to be selling it here in the next couple of days. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.